Okay, Sugies, your girl is going home! Yay! Yay! Not that anyone cares but me, because I'm the one going home. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Served on honorable 4 years in the military. Now your girl is going home. Maybe pop a few babies, graduate, collect a few degrees. You know what I'm saying? You know, it's time to start life. Not saying I couldn't have started life when I was in the military, but it's hard to start your own life when you're living a military life. So, yeah, I will be enjoying some gummy bears and some Quest bars. I think I might post a picture. If you guys aren't following me on freaking Instagram, go ahead and give me a little follow. I'm just really giggly right now because it just feels so unreal. I've been home or away from home for so long, you know, coming only for a few days at a time when we're allowed to come home. And honestly, coming home when we only had like 3 or 4 days to go home, even though I live 8 hours away, was kind of a rush. Like, I wasn't able to enjoy myself. So here's to me enjoying myself going home. So stay tuned and enjoy the ride with me.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane, isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. I begin to
Again, if you guys like this video, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for coming back and watching my video. Again, until next time, K-Sugies.